Looking up in the skies today, what do you got for us?
Lots of blue sky now. We did have a little cloud cover along our western counties. 87 degrees right now at DFW Airport. It feels like 93 though, already, and it's not even noon. And it's because of all of the sunshine across North Texas. And we did have a little cloud cover this morning for some of our counties. We're still seeing a little bit of that. It's mainly to the southwest, and that's where we find our coolest temperatures of the day, if we can call it that. 93 for the high in Stephenville and in Brownwood. 99 though in Decatur, 97 for McKinney, Greenville, and in Dallas, about 98 in Fort Worth, about 93 for Waxahachie and in Hillsboro, 96 in Corsicana. So we do see this widespread in temperatures just because of how humid some parts of North Texas are compared to others. There are some areas that are slightly drier, and that's what's going to allow temperatures to climb a little bit faster. And I'm looking at areas like Wichita Falls and Archer City, as well as in Seymour. That is also where we have our highest heat index today. Not the case across our southwestern counties and across DFW, anywhere between 101 to 102. I do think some locations could see slightly higher amounts for Denton and in McKinney. Our heat alerts today look like this. Not any including DFW. Most of North Texas not included in this, but we have a few counties near Wichita Falls and Archer City that have a heat alert. And in far east Texas, areas like Oklahoma, Arkansas also looking at heat alerts, and that extends into the Dakotas, across the Midwest, and along a big portion of the southeast. That's where we have our heat advisories and extreme heat warnings. These locations could see heat index values up to 110. I know generally we're talking about heat alerts here locally, but this time around not the case because that ridge of high pressure really strengthened over areas east of North Texas. Eventually it's going to expand. It's going to include more of Texas, and that's what's going to allow temperatures to climb a couple more degrees this week. Now this week, the hottest week of the year so far, with temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. We've been really coasting in the mid to low 90s for a good chunk of July. In fact, most of July has been spent cooler than what's considered normal for this time of the year. Normal high is 96, 97 over the span of the next 5 days, and the next 5 days will be within 2 degrees of that, so not too far off. The heat index, however, will be in the triple digits, and I think this could even get higher than 103 come Thursday, come Friday, as humidity starts climbing. We're not looking at a decent rain chance for us. This time of the year, if we see any rain, it's generally because of tropical moisture coming in. As of now, it doesn't look like a big opportunity for that. A trace to maybe a tenth of an inch, according to our European and our American model. That's two models that are showing the same thing through the rest of the month. So far this month, we've picked up about 1.5 inches of rain. This is just above what's considered normal for this time of the year. This year overall, we've picked up over 22 inches of rain. It's above normal by a quarter, maybe just a little higher than a quarter. So July and August are generally our driest months, and we definitely are seeing that here now that we're heading into our rain-free streak over the next couple of days. High temperatures will be in the upper 90s at least through the end of the weekend. Now next week looks a little interesting. We could see our first triple-digit heat day towards the end of the month, but if we don't, July will have spent it without any triple digits, something we haven't seen since 2007. We'll be back.